Hi, I'm Haley Elting with Charleston, and today I'm excited to show you our RMC Series Milk Coolers. These units make a great addition to any K-12 school, and at Charleston, we believe in creating durable and high-quality products. Schools have a lot to consider with food equipment, but we've built our milk coolers to keep milk safely cold, save labor, and support serving line designs. Let's dive in to see what makes our milk cooler stand out. Keeping milk cold is key for keeping it fresh and tasty. The Charleston Milk Cooler uses a forced air system that circulates cold air from top to bottom and left to right, keeping excellent temperature consistency throughout the cabinet. This allows the milk cartons to maintain the right temperature for a great taste from the first carton to the last. Another benefit of a forced air system is there's no frost buildup. This eliminates the time-consuming task of manually defrosting the cooler, saving labor, and allowing your customers to focus on more critical tasks in the kitchen. Another feature to note about our milk coolers is their unique door design. Superior to typical hinge lids, Charleston milk coolers boast a sliding door that facilitates a low access height, making these coolers easier for staff to load the heavy crates and young students to reach the contents, keeping that serving line flowing smoothly. Even the long-lasting, sanitizer-friendly Easy Clean gaskets are protected by our unique sliding door design. All models are constructed with a robust stainless steel exterior and interior. Schools shouldn't worry about constant repairs or replacing equipment that can't handle their needs. With its robust design, our milk cooler keeps up with the demand of daily use and promotes longer equipment life. Our top-mounted removable refrigeration system allows for easier, more ergonomically friendly access when maintenance is needed, resulting in shorter downtime. Units have a reinforced cabinet exterior bottom with heavy-duty dunnage racks that support those heavy milk crates. Keeping the lunch line moving is easy with our double-sided footprints and adjustable caster rail system that allows for flexible positioning. Available with 4-inch casters, the RMC milk coolers come in 3 different footprints to support 8, 12, and 16 crate capacities. The Charleston RMC Series Milk Cooler is a reliable, efficient, and practical solution for keeping milk safely cold and fresh in K-12 schools. Upgrade your customers' food service operation and provide students with the highest quality milk every day. Thanks for watching!